Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're driving on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now this section just opened a few weeks ago. I think it was the middle of September or the middle of October. And they're not charging toll on this road. Now they said the toll can use the road free until December 31st. Now today is December 14th. And they have not announced the toll rates or anything to do with collecting toll on this road. So I don't think they're going to start collecting the toll on January 1, because you have to give the public notice. So you would have to announce it within the next 2-3 days if you're going to start collecting toll January 1. Now, the toll plazas, everything is up and running. Jamaica Highway seemed to have taken it for granted that they were going to be the toll operator, because they operate the toll plazas on other sections of this road. They've even put up signs that said Jamaica Highway. They're now covered. So, what happened? Jamaica Highway and NROC cannot come to an agreement. They have been stuck in negotiations for months. Now, remember I said earlier, you have to announce the toll. You can't just start collecting toll the next day. You have to publish it, and there are certain criteria you have to follow. That has not been done. Jamaica Highway has not come out and said, we have worked something out with NROC and we will start collecting toll on X day. They have not even said we have concluded the negotiations with NROC. Nothing. NROC has said nothing about the negotiations with Jamaica Highway being finalized or anything. So I really don't think they are going to start collecting toll January 1. So guys, what do you think? Now, it's great that this road is free. It actually works to everybody's benefit. Maybe not the person who built the road. Yes, their benefit too. So let's go through it. Because since this road has opened, the other toll plazas on this road have seen an increase in traffic, because people are getting on the highway, this section that is free, and they're not coming off. They're staying on the highway and going on to the sections that you have to pay. So that's a win for Jamaica Highway. They have more traffic at their toll plazas. Now, NROC, which is the government, they own 20% of Jamaica Highway, the company. So they make dividends, they make money every time somebody goes through the toll plaza. So they are making money. Now, the last dividend payment that NROC would have received is $500 million that they can use to pay for the building of the road. The Jamaican government built the road, not a foreign company. Although they got loans. So all you have to do is service the loan. So that's a win for them. It's a win for NROC, because NROC is collecting the dividends, and the people of Jamaica benefit because we have a road to use. Highway quality road. Look at it. Highway quality road. So it's a win-win for everybody. So I don't think there's even any rush to conclude the negotiations. But they seem to have, I don't know if I should say stall, but there's just doesn't seem to be any urgency for December 31st. So this is a toll plaza now. There you can see toll plaza ahead. It's built, it's open. Looks just like other toll plazas on the highway. The only thing is, it's free. You don't have to pay. And I always say when we go through here, there's no sign that says no toll, proceed. You just have to know you don't have to. I guess if the barricade is up, you don't stop. I don't know. So this is another interchange here now up by Clarion Park. And this toll plaza is actually called toll gate. It's just a coincidence that the toll plaza is located at toll gate. The name at that is. As you can see out here, they have the solar lights, but not the entire highway, just by the toll plaza. So guys, let me know what you think. Do you think they're going to start charging toll January 1, 2024?